Do you know that homes and properties have chakras and chakra system? Do you know that homes and rooms carry energies and emotions and entities, and there really are no walls? And yet so much is held in the spaces in our homes, from entities to beings to emotions to vows of poverty to sickness to anger. All types of emotions are held inside a home and its contents. And we have to heal it and release it and clear it out and upgrade the property and the environment with Christ's consciousness and frequencies and crystals and key codes, and move that stuff out. And homes and properties have chakras and chakra systems that need to be aligned and balanced. It's important to know this so that you can feel good in your home and create success.